Dino-Easter. Lisa Wheeler, illustrations by Barry Gott. As winter snow melts into spring, froggies croak and robins sing. Soon there'll be a holiday. Dino-Easter's on its way. Fields of flowers reach for sun. Triceratops can't choose just one. Crocus, lily, tulip too, blossoming in every hue. Compy picks a bright bouquet, a centerpiece for Easter Day. Easter eggs are Diplo's thing. He covers them with lots of bling. His home is filled with paints and dyes, brushes, inks, and craft supplies. He welcomes everyone in town. A painting party! Come on down! The eggs are boiled, cooled, and dried. Next, the color is applied. Stego wants to work with stencils. Aloud favors waxy pencils. Minmi makes her own designs, rainbow hearts and wavy lines. T-Rex struggles with the task. He'd get some help if he'd just ask. Eggs are Raptor's favorite treat. He decides to peel and eat. Raptor, no! The paint's still wet! It's not time for eating yet! Over at the local farm, there's excitement in the barn. Baby ducks and newborn sheep, fluffy chicks say peep, peep, peep. As little critters sing out loud, Farmer Minmi is so proud. Dino kids all come to see the babes in her menagerie. Maiasaura heads outside with Easter eggs she needs to hide. 2 dinos follow by her side. Lesothoris, Raptor too. She tells her helpers what to do. Place them here, tuck them there, in bushes, trees, and everywhere. They each take baskets, off they go, hiding treasures high and low. But eggs are Raptor's favorite treat. He takes a break to peel and eat. Raptor, no, that's not the way! You cannot eat the eggs today! Up on the hill for all to see, there stands a candy factory. It's owned by Patchy's Uncle Greer, a very famous chocolatier. He offers cream eggs, bunnies too, and truffles filled with chocolate goo. Free yummy samples are the best. The Taro twins are both a mess. At the Dino clothing shop, carts are filled up to the top. T-Rex buys a fancy suit. Aloud looks for something cute. Stego scans the pretty ties. He wants a hue to match his eyes. The dresses come in every shade, just right for the Dino-Easter parade. Look at all those fancy hats. And who's that guy in tails and spats? He hands out candy from his pail. Must be Peter Clobbertail. Although Tricera loves his greens, today he opts for jelly beans. But this day is not quite done. They all head off for eggy fun. It's time for hunting high and low. On your mark, get ready, set, go! Diplo finds one in a tree. The pterodactyl twins spot 3. Patchy has to use her head to find one in the garden shed. Compy gets a big surprise. He hugs an egg that's twice his size. But eggs are Raptor's favorite treat. He can't wait to peel and eat. He's thought about them day and night. Go ahead, Raptor, take a bite. He eats the egg, then gobbles more. A dozen shells lie on the floor. Oh no, I think his tummy's sore. Raptor wants to eat no more. The hunt is over, Easter ends. The dinos had such fun with friends. And as the Easter chocolate melts, it makes them think of something else. They dream about the sweetest time when they'll share Dino Valentines. The end. Happy Easter!